live from the Huntsville Hamfest. This is HamShackTV. Appreciate you tuning in. I'm going to check out one of my favorite vendors. Stick around. Hello everybody and welcome back to HamShackTV. I'm your host Josh AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. We're here at the Huntsville Hamfest, Huntsville, Alabama, and we're going to check out one of my favorite vendors here and a friend of the channel. It's M&L Radio Technology, and Leroy sponsored our one-year giveaway on our live stream, and this is the MA1, folks. This is the radio that I've been talking about on there, and it's just a phenomenal rig here. VHF, UHF, separatable head, really cool radio. Met Lee, our winner from that, and he's impressed with it. Really cool radio, but you got two at a time. Really cool radio. Look at that display, y'all. I like that display. That's different. But Leroy's got all kinds of stuff, all your Redibus and Allen's products here. And then more Redibus and Allen's desk mic. And then shout out to Andy, M0APX. This is the end-fed biscuit, folks. Right here in Huntsville, Alabama. Gosh, I wish Andy could have made it. This is the end-fed biscuit 40, right there. Super easy, folks, to deal with. I mean, let me lay the camera out here for just a second. So you just basically spool it out, right like so. Now I'm not going to undo this, but well, why not? Let's do it. Spool it out. Then when you're ready to put it back together, just pull it back together. Pretty easy. Andy, you've done a phenomenal job with these. This is the first time I've put my hands on one. And they are just phenomenal. Great job. Guys, don't forget N0APX.com to buy direct. But not only that, Leroy, M&L Radio Technologies, has these available. He's selling them for Andy now. So you can go to this website right here. Just scan the QR code on your screen. Let me get a little closer here. Scan the QR code on your screen, and that'll take you to the M&L Radio Technology website. Really cool stuff. Got earpieces here, Tigrit. I just met the guy that makes these and sells them. These are really cool earpieces. As a matter of fact, you can see I have one in myself. These are really cool pieces, and there'll be a link down in the description for the Tigrit headsets. I've got one on myself, like I said, and I love it. It's so much less bulkier than a speaker mic. So much less bulkier, so I'm very impressed. It's got some antennas here from Redibus and things of that nature. Let me scroll around here. Got some batteries, battery boxes, ground wire, ground components, LED badges, RT systems, programming, some flashlights, some paracord. And this is just a small selection of what Leroy offers. So I want y'all to go check out that website right there. Scan that QR code. That'll take you to Leroy's new website, M&L Radio Technology. And also, you can email them. There you go. info@mlradiotech.com or 866-5-RADIO2. 866-5-RADIO-2 for M&L Radio Technologies. More great videos coming up right here from the Huntsville Hamfest. We'll see you in the next video. 73's AA4WX WSCB 693.